trying to get rid of that Monday blue still. Going back to my desk. I keep some healthy stuff on the desk so that I don't junk too much. Some nuts. And I keep hydrated myself. Keep a liter of water always with me. And then that's the work desk. And to make things better, I have this keychron-keyboard with some RGB around. And this is my new addition to the desk, the MX-master 3, logitech-mx-master 3. Not finding it a little difficult to use now because of its fast scrolling and all, but getting used to it. I think I'll get used to it soon.